Good morning. I hope you can hear me with the noise here. I did an important project today. This is actually the exorcism of Joe Biden. Buenos días, espero que puedan escucharme aquí con mucho ruido en el fondo. Hice un trabajo importante hoy que es el exorcismo de Joe Biden. Lógico, el candidato a la presidencia de Estados Unidos. Logically, he's the candidate to the presidency of the United States. However, he did not win. The pendulum said that Donald Trump had a 99.7% chance of being the winner, even when I asked after they declared Biden, after the mass media, the fake news declared Joe Biden the winner. Mi péndulo indicó que Trump tenía y tiene un 99.7% probabilidad de ganar. Y eso lo pregunté después de que las noticias falsas habían declarado a Biden el ganador. Equivocadamente, claro. So, I'm going to, first I'll connect to Joe Biden, let's say 6 hours ago to be sure, and we'll see what his energy age is. Normal humans, including me, who are not so normal, die at 100. Primero voy a comunicar con Joe Biden hace unas 6 horas para estar seguro y ver cuál es su edad, cuál era su o fue su edad energética. Los humanos normales morimos con 100. So you can see who I am. This is me, just in case. And this is the work of the pendulum. I have contact with Joe Biden 6 hours ago. His energy age: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 810, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 888. I have my hand on the top of the telephone up here, which means I am not moving the pendulum, it's moving on its own. Salió 888. Yo tengo mi mano aquí arriba en el teléfono, que indica que yo no estoy moviendo el péndulo, sino que mueve solo. 888. 888. Now 889. Y ahora 889. It's going to stop. It's going to stop. Va a parar, porque la edad energética de Joe Biden, cuando eso, no era 889, sino, pienso otra vez, 888. It wasn't 889, but it's 888, and when I think 888, it starts spinning again. That is the energy of truth. Esa es la energía de verdad. La edad energética de Joe Biden hace 6 horas fue 888, que son los reptilianos, que controlan mucho de los poderosos de la humanidad. Those are the reptilians who control many of the power people on Earth. Okay, and now we're going to come to right now, after I did the exorcism, which I did while I was waiting in a line. Ahora venimos a ahora mismo, después de haber hecho el exorcismo, la cual hice mientras estaba esperando una fila. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 65, 70, 75, está cerca. 75 is getting close. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. It's spinning good in a nice circle at 84. 84. Si pienso 85, if I think 85, it's going to slow down and stop. That is the energy age of a relatively normal, though probably not a good human. Eso es la energética de un humano relativamente normal. No digo que bueno. Entonces funcionó el exorcismo de Joe Biden. So the exorcism of Joe Biden it worked. Goodbye, reptilian Biden. Adios, Biden reptilian.